Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online English class. Today, we're going to talk about aspects of connected speech, elision. What is elision? How to use elision, examples, and a quiz. Objectives of the class. In this lesson, you can learn about pronunciation future, which can help you to understand fast speech and also talk more fluently in English. What is the pronunciation future? It's called elision. What is elision? Elision is the omission of one or more sounds, such as a vowel, a consonant, or a whole syllable in a word or phrase, producing a result that is easy for the speaker to pronounce. Elision is common in spoken English, especially in fast and informal speech. Learning about elision will help you listening, and if you can use it yourself, help you speaking too. How to use elision? In some words, especially words with three syllables, an unstressed syllable can disappear. Example, lovely. Lovely have three syllables. Lovely. If we remove E, there we will be applying elision. It sounds lovely, lovely. Other examples. Now let's look other way to use elision. Here's an example. Comfortable. The or R after F could be pronounced with a schwa sound. Comfortable, 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 comfortable. But it often isn't pronounced at all. You lean directly from the F to the S. Comfortable. Handsome. If we remove the, it's on handsome. Friends. If we remove the, it's on friends. Here I let the quiz. Click on the following link and start the quiz. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I see you in the next class.